case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case revolved around alleged violations of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, and the Kansas Consumer Protection Act, KCPA. John Marzulli, a debt collector, and his employer, Professional Recovery Services, Inc., were accused by Michael D. Caputo of employing fraudulent, abusive, and discriminatory debt collection methods. The bone of contention involved 4 contentious phone calls and a message left on Caputo's answering machine about overdue credit card payments. Blurring the lines of decency, the defendant's comments were seen as excessive and intolerable, leading to claims of intentional infliction of emotional distress. Caputo, declared by the court a disabled person under the Kansas Consumer Protection Act, contended that the defendant's lack of awareness of his disability was evidence of their unconscionable conduct. He sought protection under the FDCPA against unfair practices and advocated for the denial of the defendant's motion for a bona fide error defense. The crux of this defense is that any alleged violation was unintentional, a genuine error, despite having procedures in place to circumvent such a breach. At the lower court level, the defendants attempted to use the bona fide error defense, banking on their claims that the alleged violations were unintentional. In the face of inadequate supportive evidence from both sides, these motions were turned down. However, the motion for partial summary judgment by the defendants on allegations of fraud was also denied due to lingering issues of material fact. Accordingly, the court ruled against granting the defendants complete immunity from numerous other claims under the Act. The potential applicability of the bona fide error defense was left to be evaluated later during trial. Furthermore, the allegations of unconscionable conduct labeled against the defendants were not dismissed outright, with the court deciding to pronounce judgment only upon examining all evidence presented at trial. Both parties appealed against the arguments denied by the lower court, setting the stage for a protracted legal battle in which every charge would come under scrutiny. The ultimate decision from the court was that, despite the convoluted nature of the case, given the disputed material facts and contentious nature of the claims, a full-blown trial was warranted. Consequently, the court dismissed defendants' motion for a summary judgment on allegations of FDCPA, fraud, outrage, and unconscionable business practices.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.